guys, today's video is going to be a kind of a Poshmark Q&A. I'm just going to answer a couple I'm going to answer a couple questions from you guys, and then I'm going to give you guys like a business kind of Hello, Abilene. Okay, so first off, I'm filming on a new camera. Comment down below and let me know what you think of the quality of this. If I keep looking to the side, it's because the viewfinder on this camera is off to the side, and I'm not used to that. I'm used to this baby, my Canon G7X, where the flip screen is up. Like on this one, it's on the side. This is seriously an amazing camera. I love it. But I just decided to get a new one. I saw Nicole Guerrero talk about this camera. It's the Sony ZV-1. I wanted to give it a shot and see how I liked it. So comment down below and let me know what you think of the quality. I'm still figuring out the settings and like the lighting issue. This is only the second video I filmed with this. I filmed like an update video on my vlog channel. I haven't even watched that back yet because I literally just filmed it a few minutes ago. Let's get into some questions. I just have a couple. First question is, can you please do a video on how to add more than one picture to our stories on Poshmark? I did it once when I first started and can't remember how. I've reached out to their support, but the explanation doesn't specify how to add more than one picture. Thanks, Vanessa. Okay, gonna be totally honest with you guys. I have not used Poshmark stories yet, and I don't think I'm going to. So I honestly have no idea how to do it. So I am of no help. I apologize. It's just, I don't know. I just feel like I don't have time to do it. It's just another thing. It's just another thing to do. I would much rather utilize Instagram than Poshmark stories. So yeah, I'm sorry I'm no help, but I honestly have never used Poshmark stories and I don't plan on using Poshmark stories, so sorry. Next question. When my closet was new, like in the first 2 to 3 weeks, I was making sales. Now I'm not. I'm still sharing just like before. Is there some type of algorithm that goes with newer closets getting more sales? What should I do to increase sales? Okay, so I don't, you know, the algorithm, schmalgorithm, it's up and down. Like that's one thing you got to realize about reselling. It's a roller coaster. Some days you're going to have, or some days, weeks, maybe even months, you'll have good sales, and other days, weeks, months, you won't have good sales. I don't know how new you are, because you said in the first 2 to 3 weeks you're making sales and now you're not. Okay, so maybe you're like, you haven't even been doing this a month. So yeah, definitely don't use that as an indication of your closet not doing well. You might be doing everything right. It just might be a slow season. For instance, yesterday I had 14 sales. The day before I had 5 sales. So it's definitely a roller coaster. It's up and down. As far as what you can do to make more sales, I will link my Poshmark playlist down below because I have numerous videos telling you guys things to do to make more sales. Just make sure that you're sharing, setting offers to likers, and just being active on the app. Again, you have to give it time and just realize like it's gonna be up and down, and definitely don't get discouraged. Last question is, I've been having issues with invalid date of birth on the shipping label. Does anyone know how to fix this? What? Date of birth on the shipping label? What? I don't know what that means. Do you mean like the shipping label's date of birth? Is that what you mean? What's your name? Ashley? If you could elaborate on this, that would be great. Yeah, I would think that you mean the date of birth of the shipping label, like the day that you printed it out. So yeah, if you could elaborate on that a little bit more, that would be great. I'm super confused as to what exactly you mean, I guess. Little business update. We are in fall now. It's fall. Fall was officially like the other day, I think, the 22nd or 21st or something like that. So it's officially fall. Even though today outside, and yesterday and this weekend too, it's gonna be like in the 80s. It's officially fall. I've decided to kind of change things in my closet. I think I'm going, well, this isn't like definite, this is just my thoughts, and I just wanted to share my thoughts with you guys. So I think I'm going to delete the majority of my summer stuff, like shorts and, well, maybe mainly just shorts or like shorts and tank tops and bathing suits too. I did have a couple of bathing suits. So yeah, I think I'm gonna take those out of my closet and just focus. What's going on? Why does it show a temperature light on my camera? Don't tell me this overheats. Oh, no. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna do that and just kind of see how that goes. I'm also thinking about getting into liquidation. So right now, you know, I shop at thrift stores. I do retail arbitrage. I occasionally buy like mystery boxes, but I think I want to dabble in liquidation and see how that kind of goes. I did order, I talked about this in a previous video. This was like 2 or 3 months ago now. I did try to order a liquidation palette from this company that I will never work with again. I don't know if I want to name them in this video. I'm really concerned about my temperature. Like, I did order a palette through them, a palette, like a palette. That's a lot of shit. And yeah, I just had a lot of issues. So I really need to do research as to which company I want to go with, but I think I'm going to dabble in liquidation and see just kind of how that goes. I'm really trying to get this business in a good shape, in like a good standing before baby number 5 gets here. Ideally, I would like to hire an employee before baby number 5 gets here. If you guys don't know, I'm due in December. I'm getting induced the 2nd week in December. So yeah, that's like less than 3 months. So yeah, ideally I'd like to get my business at a point of being able to hire an employee like that makes sense, so I can take things off my plate. Those are like my main plans for my business going forward right now. I'll keep you guys updated as to how things go. If you are a fellow reseller and you do liquidation and you have any companies that you recommend, definitely comment down below and let me know. I know of like a shit ton of liquidation companies, so I guess it's just a matter of doing research and like reading reviews and getting recommendations from people. I'm liking this camera. I think from the quality that I see in the viewfinder, it looks good. I haven't obviously played back a video yet on my computer to see the quality. So if you guys have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.